Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, test the Dolby Atmos support test while using the Bluetooth earbuds in the Poco F3 GT and the Realme X1 Max device. So both phones, they do have the Dolby Atmos inbuilt, and few of the users, they do have this kind of doubt that whether the phone will be able to support while using the Bluetooth headphones the Dolby Atmos or not. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting right now in the Poco F3 GT and the Realme X1 Max device, whether the Dolby Atmos equalizer is working or not in the loudspeaker and with the Bluetooth earphones. As you can see, this exact question I got right now, and let me try to test in this kind of video demonstration. Right now I connected to the Bluetooth earphones, as you can see here right now, Realme Buds Wireless 2 and the Realme Buds Q2. Now let's go to the sound and vibration profile in both phones. Let's see what are the options we are getting actually. You can see on the top of the notification panel, Bluetooth is connected. Bluetooth is also connected in both phones. Now here you can find the sound settings and Dolby Atmos option. As you can see, means right now, by using this Bluetooth headphones, you can actually use this presets values as well without any kind of issues. As you can see, you do get plenty of customization right now enabled if you try to use the Bluetooth earphones or Bluetooth headphones. So you do have this kind of equalizer option as well, where you can actually change different values, preset values, as you can see exactly. So final answer to that question is that yes, it's supported with the Bluetooth earphones as also, no issues at all. So now what happens if I try to turn off the Bluetooth earphones? What will happen with the settings? As you can see, as soon as you turn off the settings, the equalizer option will not come. So if you're trying to play in the loudspeaker, you don't get that kind of option. Only with the Bluetooth earphones and 3.5mm jack, headphone jack earphones only, you'll be able to get that kind of equalizer option, not with the loudspeaker. That's the one thing. And whereas even in the, I think in the Poco F3 GT, you do have the option different customization, or you can actually set it. As you can see, different values you can actually do in the Poco F3 GT. Now let's see whether changing any kind of values will it impact any kind of loudspeaker volume or not. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. Is a mini sound meter bar which I got right now. As you can see friends, let's check. Let me try to start playing the audio right now, and this is the audio which I'm trying to play in the full volume. I think in the Poco F3 GT, all the options are working perfectly fine. Yes, you may not be able to understand in this video, but for me, it looks really different. The volume in the Poco F3 GT when you're trying to change the preset values. So with the loudspeaker, you can actually use all these Dolby Atmos options without any kind of problem in the Poco F3 GT. Now in the Realme X1 Max, what about this phone? Let me try to increase the volume. So friends, even in the Realme X1 Max also, it's working perfectly fine. You can actually enable them even while using the loudspeaker as well. But using this movie mode, I can actually experience a little bit kind of more volume. Yes, in the movie mode, that's perfect. So this is a quick comparison friends between both phones in terms of the Dolby Atmos using with the Bluetooth headphones and using with the loudspeaker. You can actually enable these settings as well without any kind of problem. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.